6 effective strategies for MSP documentation. Documentation should make an MSP faster, smarter, and more resilient. But when documentation is outdated, it slows down troubleshooting, increases risk, and hurts service delivery. In this video, we'll walk through practical documentation strategies that help MSPs turn documentation into a living asset. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why documentation is important for MSPs. For MSPs, documentation acts as a shared dictionary, covering SOPs, troubleshooting steps, and emergency procedures. The problem is that when documentation goes stale, it drifts away from reality. This leads to misdiagnosis, repeated work, and longer mean time to repair. To avoid this, MSPs need documentation workflows that ensure information stays fresh, accurate, and usable. The first of many documentation strategies to help MSPs maintain accurate information involves creating a clearly defined lifecycle. 6 effective strategies for MSP documentation. To start with, every document should move through standard stages so technicians always understand its accuracy and validity. A simple lifecycle might look like this. Draft, newly created and unverified. In review, accuracy and clarity are validated. Published, approved and actively used. Stale, automatically flagged after a set period, for example, 90 days. Archived, retired but kept for reference. To prioritize effort, documents should also be tagged by criticality. For example, backup and disaster recovery documentation should be reviewed far more frequently than general references. Second, documentation without ownership quickly becomes everyone's responsibility and no one's job. That said, assign a clear owner to every document. Before anything moves from in review to published, that owner should approve the changes. Third, automation removes guesswork from documentation maintenance. MSPs can use scripts and scheduled checks to flag documents that haven't been updated within a defined time frame. These checks can automatically mark content as stale, prompting review before outdated information causes real-world issues. This can also be integrated with PSA tools to trigger review tickets automatically. Fourth, not everyone should be editing documentation. So limit write access to owners, editors, and approved contributors to prevent accidental or unapproved changes. Clear version naming and transparent version histories make it easy to track what changed, when, and why. Using consistent version formats, for example, V2025-09-25, further improves tracking. Fifth, visibility drives accountability. Documentation health dashboards can surface key metrics like document age and ownership. Plus, color-coded indicators make it easy for technicians to spot stale documentation at a glance, while review reminders keep updates on schedule. These dashboards should also align with ownership and review cycles to ensure accountability. Finally, documentation shouldn't live in isolation. Train new technicians to review and flag unclear or outdated content as part of their onboarding. Link documentation directly into ticket templates and project handoffs so the right information is available at the moment of execution. At the end of the day, strong documentation isn't just about record keeping, it's about delivering faster, more reliable service. By combining lifecycle management, clear ownership, automation, and visibility, MSPs can keep their documentation accurate, accessible, and ready when it matters most. For more information, check out our official blog post on effective MSP documentation strategies, linked in the description below.